pinaka-affordable na single attached sa Molino Bacoor, Cavite. Modern design at no spot down payment dahil ang down payment nito ay payable ng 15 months. Very accessible dahil few minutes drive lang ito sa SM Molino, Vista Mall Molino, Vermosa, Daanghari, Villar City at marami pang iba. Kaya naman don't skip this video. This is Pau Pipito, your home search buddy. Single attached at may minimum lot size na 110 square meters kaya naman may provision tayo for 2 carport. Floor area na 85 square meters kaya naman meron tayong spacious na living, dining at kitchen area. Ang maganda dito guys ay meron tayong 1 toilet and bath dito sa ground floor at meron pa tayong 1 bedroom. Kaya naman pasok ito sa may kasama sa bahay na medyo may edad na or hirap umakyat. Complete finish turnover included na ang tiles, primary paint, room partition at sliding door. Guys, meron pa tayong extra lot dito sa back na pwede mong gawing extension ng inyong kitchen area, laundry area, another room at pwede mo pa itong pataasan. Para sa additional space natin sa second floor. Napakalawak nga ng ating space for home improvement at home expansion dahil sa laki ng ating lote at floor area. Going up, meron tayong 3 spacious na room at 1 toilet and bath dito sa second floor. Pagdating naman sa community, gated at exclusive ang community natin dito sa Belfort Estate. In terms of amenities, meron tayong clubhouse with pool, porch and playground, basketball court, at marami pang iba. You can reserve this property for only 40,000 pesos. 10% down payment lang tayo dito guys. Kaya naman ang monthly down payment nito ay 48,000 pesos. Monthly amortization for 20 years ay 60,000 pesos. Kaya naman send me direct message para ma-schedule na natin ang exclusive house viewing mo. So, bye-bye!